Wait a second. You're saying you don't know if you can change? You don't know if you can overcome sin for the sake of God's grace? Let me show you something. Ezekiel 36, verse 25 through 27. I will sprinkle clean water on you, and you shall be clean from all your uncleanness. And from all your idols I will cleanse you. And I will give you a new heart, and a new spirit I will put within you. And I will remove the heart of the stone from your flesh, and give you a heart of flesh. I will put my spirit within you, and cause you to walk in my statutes, and be careful to obey my rules. If you want to change for Christ, it's possible. But you have to be willing to want to change for Christ. Are you hearing me?